You can officially call me Bob the Builder because that I did.
Change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. Cause it's your way, love, 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 that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do.
What's up, y'all? I don't touch the glue. What's up, y'all? It is your girl, Candace Denise, and I'm back again with another video. What's up, y'all? I hope that everybody's doing good, safe, satisfied, living, loving on the people that love on you, and pouring into the people that pour into you, because life is so short. So as you can tell, we are back with another video in my home decorating series, I guess, because I'm not gonna tell y'all how long I've been here. If you start from the beginning, you'll know how long I've been here. If you've been an OG holding it down, then you know how long I've been in this house. But I'm still getting it together. So we kind of finalized my room, my bathroom. Now I'm switching gears to like my living room and the foyer and the front door. So one piece that I'm missing from the front is a sign. Now, if you've seen the movie Sinners, you know I'm not putting no welcome sign at my door. That's out. No welcome sign. So I was trying to find a cute one, and I went on Pinterest because you know I love to go on Pinterest and find inspiration for different things. Like I do for clothing, but also for home stuff too, to get kind of ideas and inspo for decorating. So they had a sign that said, "Oh, hello." So I was like, okay, well, let's try to do that. So we're going to jump into the behind the scenes of making the sign. We are at Hobby Lobby. So what's on today's agenda is me basically making my own porch sign. So we're gonna get the materials and get her done. Right here is the wood we're gonna use. And this is like, what, $12? $12.99. Oh, it's not on sale. This is the inspo that we're going for. Either the hello there or the oh hello. I think I want to do hello there. Oh hello. That'll be easier. So now I gotta pick out the letters. They don't have a cursive OH. Oh, I could, because I wanted to stick with the white letters. Let's see. They don't have any H's in that one. Okay, so this is gonna be a little more complex than I thought it would be, because they don't have. I'm gonna have to do it. Okay. So this is the O and the A. Well, it's a 0. Well, hey. Who gonna take it? Okay, so the O and the H there. It could be bigger, but get much bigger without taking up. Oh wait, somebody had the H on top of the O, and I'm gonna paint the wood pink. And then we need hello. Is this too big? Yes, that's too big. I might just be just right. No, it's too big. I need some smaller ones. but not super small. Alright, I'm gonna use this spray paint. It's paint and primer. I'm gonna get 2 just in case. You can never go wrong. I can bring it back if I don't use it. Instead of doing oh hello, I'm just gonna have to do hello because I found the letters all in this size and it looks good, so I'm gonna go with this. I'm gonna get 2 of these just in case. And then you got to pull it out like that because I'm gonna put the thing on top. Or should I pull it all the way out there so it don't get on the well, here, get the paper. We got the board and the paper. So you're gonna lay the paper down and then I'm gonna put this on top of it.
Lay it down on the trash can?
Yeah. Ooh. Let's get another piece. So to cover that part. Cover which part? So none of the paint really get on the frame. Alright. That was out here flying. Oh, this wind blowing. This spray paint gonna be wind. Okay, so first we're gonna use the spray paint. I put a gazebo in my purse today. Are you excited?
Yeah, we're gonna see.
What you mean?
Another hurricane better come by.
Better come by or better not?
I said no hurricane.
It's got tape around it.
Let me see.
Yeah, 'cause the last one told my gazebo up. I'm so ATL. I'm so ATL. What? It don't look right?
No, I was just looking.
I'm gonna take pictures of the before. Put it on this side. Hopefully this come right up. Now how these dogs mind their business? Hold on.
I'll just get the rest off.
Okay, go ahead, sister.
Or as much as possible.
Okay.
part. So that's the part that was showing.
Mercy, have mercy on me. Mercy, mercy. That's Beyonce. You want to try it? Let me see your food. Gotta let it dry.
It was just a misunderstanding. You waited in the rain for hours, and I couldn't say the right things. No, I checked your number twice, then I went home. But I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Go down now, seven. Go down now, honey. Go down now, baby. Go down, seven, give it love, love. Go down now, seven. Go down now, honey. Go down now, baby. Go down, seven, give it love, love, love. And I want you to meet my parents, yeah. Now I'm including you in my whole world. With you, I'm so transparent. You tear down every wall that I built up. Now I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Hold on now, seven. Hold on now, honey.
Okay, so the letters are a little crooked, but it's okay. But this is how it looks so far. I'm gonna put some more flowers out here. I want some more flowers right there, but I feel like it looks really cute. What y'all think? I feel like it looked real cute. I like it. I didn't realize that said hello too. Hello, 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 hello. It is what it is. But I'll switch out that rug at some point, so it's okay. But this is how the porch is looking. Very inviting, very cutesy. And that's my sign. I need to sweep out here, so ignore the flyaways. It was just pouring down raining. The ground is wet, so yeah. Y'all, so don't you just love it? I feel like it's so cutesy. It fits me. It's like my personality all put into one. It didn't work out exactly how I thought it would, but it still came out really cute and added that missing piece to my porch that I was needing. All the products came from Hobby Lobby. The letters, the wood plank, the spray paint, and the glue. All of that came from Hobby Lobby. So, do you have porch signs? Like, how have you decorated your porch? Drop down in the comments and let me know if you have a similar setup or if you got some inspo for me too, or something that I should add to the porch just to kind of make it a little more homier, a little more cutesy, a little more demure, a little more my personality. Of course, drop down in the comments and let me know. Make sure y'all like this video, and of course, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and have those notifications turned on so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss it. This is a whole series, y'all. We working. We trying to get it together piece by piece. I'm building this house up brick by brick. Well, just the interior. Anywho. I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you for your love and thank you for your support. And if no one else has told you that they love you, just know that Candace Denise does love you from the bottom of my heart. I will see y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.
Change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. 'Cause it's your way, love, love, love.